Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. I'm here with like a little shopping haul, I should say orders. And I've been waiting for this for almost a month. I'm so excited. I love backpacks. I don't use a purse, I use a backpack. And I saw this on Amazon. And haha, it came today. I was like wondering what this package was. I've been tracking this for a couple of weeks and I couldn't figure out what the heck it was. It didn't dawn on me until I opened it up, but look, it's a Van Gogh Starry Moon backpack. So the pocket's there, little pocket here for my cell phone, who knows what else, all my goodies I put in. This is actually my Mother's Day present. My son gave me some money. Oh, that's cool. It's got a pocket here. That's awesome. I like that it's got this little buckle thing. Oh my god. They could have made that blue though. It's got these nice handles. I can make this bigger. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cool? That's awesome. And on the theme of Van Gogh, I have a Joggles order. This is so cool. I have to thank Teresa because she's the one that told me about this, and I went over and I checked it out, and I was like, yes, must have in my life. And I had a great sale, so this is what I purchased. I got more coming, because they were out of one thing, and then it came in, of course, after they shipped this, and I ordered all this. The one thing that was out of stock came in stock, so I purchased it right away too. But sticking with the Van Gogh theme. Ooh. Isn't that pretty? I love when Joggles wraps and stuff. Okay. Oop, oop, oop. Still falling. Okay. I'm going to save this tissue paper. So I'm going to get the scissors here. Ooh, 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 ooh. Isn't that cool? They must buy their tissue paper in bulk. Okay. Alrighty. I'm so happy right now. So, on Joggles, they came out with this Elizabeth, and it's the Van Gogh series. The Van Gogh collection. 7 designs. Ooh, nice. Look at that. Trees. Oh my god, these are awesome. So awesome. Okay. Yes. So cool. And I'm going to have to put my markers where. It also came out with, let's see, what's this one called? It's a stencil and masks. Let's see if the name's on the back. I don't remember. This one is Iris Garden. Okay, that's the irises. This one is the Starry Spirals. Starry Spirals. And this one is the Windy Night. And this one is the Iris Flowers. We all know Van Gogh's flowers. And Starry Night. Citrus Stencil. Citrus. And then the Cloudy Night. And this is the Almond Tree. I knew that one. Then there's also stamps. They're foam stamps. And this is the Twinkling Stars. Like that. And this one is the Undoodling Swirls. And this one is Starry. And this one is As the Crow Flies. And this one is the Windy Waves. They are foam. I have one more coming. That actually is the whole Van Gogh collection with the stencils. And the stamps. And then, of course, my backpack today, which was a surprise because I didn't realize I was coming in. I quit tracking it on Amazon. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I'm so stoked now. I have to clean off my desk, so I want to play. I want to play with my new stamps and stencils. Plus, buying the collection all together with the stencils, I got a free video. I just have to figure out how to go find it and go check out and see how I go about doing that. It might be in an email or on a sheet of paper. I will figure that out. If not, I will email them. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.